Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Today I am going to discussing about a great business plan where you can earn working and non-working both types of incomes. So let's start this plan. Before start it, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and also press bell icon for get notification of all our new videos. So let's start this plan. The good name of this plan is Astro Global Network. You can also visit its official website, which is www.astroglobalnet.com. Friends, this is a Japan based concept. You can also read its about Astro Global Network and also read its mission and vision, which is already clear. So next, here are some generation part of this concept like metaverse game development, metaverse social platform, forex platform, crypto bots and exchanges. So next, it is also going to launching its Asian Meta, which is multi-utility token based on TRC20 Tron blockchain. So friends, these are some basic informations of this concept. Now we start its plan. You can start your business with two types of packages: daily income packages and stacking packages. So you can earn here 12 types of income: daily package income, refer income, level income, global income, flagship income, auto pull sponsor income, token income, national trips, foreign trips, stacking income, saving fund income. So next, how to start it? So friends, you can register on www.astroglobalnet.com, which is free. You receive 1000 token and your sponsor receive 1000 token. Friends, the company is giving free gift tokens for its promotion purpose. So next, here you can buy its any package. Its packages are $20, $50, $100, $300, $700, $2,000, $4,000, $500, $10,000, $15,000 and $20,000. You will earn this given profit on every package and you will also get gift NFT token on every package. So let's check how daily income will release. So friends, in $20 package you will get $0.20 daily between 1 to 125 days, and after it $0.35 daily between 126 to 200 days, and last $1.1 up to daily between 201 to 250 days. So total income is $106. And next, in $50 package you will get $0.50 daily between 1 to 125 days, and after it $0.6 daily between 126 to 200 days, and last $3.1 up to daily between 201 to 250 days. Here total income is $262. And next, in $100 package you will get $1 daily between 1 to 125 days, and after it $1.20 daily between 126 to 200 days, and last $6.3 up to daily between 201 to 250 days. Total income is $530. So friends, so there are its 10 packages. You will get this given income in this all packages, and you will also get this given gift token on every packages. So next, its second type of income is stacking income. In stacking income, the packages are same, but in stacking income you will get this income in 180 days. So here in $20 package you will get total $200 profit. It means $1.11 daily up to 180 days. In $50 package you will get total $500 profit. It means $2.78 daily up to 180 days. In $100 package you will get total $1000 profit. It means $5.56 daily up to 180 days. So friends, you will get this profit in all these packages. In $300 package you will get $3000 profit. In $700 package you will get $7000 profit. In $2000 package you will get $20,000 profit. In $4500 package you will get $45,000 profit. In $10,000 package you will get $1 lakh profit, and last in $20,000 package you will get $2 lakh profit. And here you will also get this given gift token on every package. So this is really ultimate income. So next, if you refer stacking package to anyone, you will get 10% of referred package, and if you refer daily income package to anyone, you will get 5% of referral package. So you can earn here unlimited income with unlimited referrals. And next, referral level income. Here 20% of each package is distributed in 10 levels. Hence you can earn 2% income on next each level package purchase up to 10 levels. And then its next income is global income. Here 3-month consultancy of $15,000 business with all team. Then you will be qualified for global income in company turnover. And next, flagship income. Here you will get 5% of direct referrals daily income pack up to unlimited referrals. And its next income is auto pull income. The person who buy any package from given packages will receive this auto pull income in 10 installments. In $700 package you will get this installment. First installment is $5, second $7, third $50, fourth $150, fifth $400, sixth $1,000, seventh $2,100, eighth $3,200, ninth $4,000, and 10th $5,000. The total installment in this package is $15,912. So this is fantastic. And in next package $2,000 you will get total installment $47,335. In next package $4,500 you will get total installment $1,18,972. And in next package $10,000 you will get $2,51,700. And in next package $15,000 you will get total installment $3,83,875. And in next package $20,000 you will get total installment $5,23,405. So friends, this is totally non-working income and fantastic income. So next, you will also receive here auto pull sponsor income. On refer $700 package you will get $2,000. On refer $2,000 package you will get $6,500. On refer $4,500 package you will get $14,000. On refer $10,000 package you will get $32,000. On refer $15,000 package you will get $48,000. On refer $20,000 package you will get $65,000. So you can refer it to unlimited peoples. And next income is national trip. Here you have 6 months of time period and target is $20,000 business with your all team in 6 months between 1 July to 30 December and 1 January to 30 June. On complete this target you can enjoy national trips. So next, you can also enjoy international trips. Here you have 6 months of time period and target is only $30,000 business with team in 6 months between 1 April to 30 September and 1 October to 31 March. So if you complete this target within 6 months you can enjoy international trip. And last and final income is saving fund income. Here all payout are deducted with 15% service charge and it returned to user with 10% interest. So it is really mind-blowing plan. So finally we read its terms and condition. Daily closing of all payouts. Payout transfer on 8th, 18th and 20th of every month. Sunday closed. Minimum payout transfer $10. Service charge 15% deduct on each payout. So it is all about this concept. If you want to join, then contact to that person who given you this video's link and join fast. You cannot start this business with INR. You have need dollar. If you want to buy dollar, you can contact your upline and you can also buy this dollar from any exchange and you can easily start this business. Thanks for watching this video till end. All the best for your success journey.